Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of LegalZoom and zenbusiness. We'll break down their services, pricing, customer support, and overall value, giving you a clear picture of which platform might be the perfect fit for your new venture. Think of this as your definitive guide to navigating the world of online business formation, helping you make an informed decision without getting lost in the legal jargon. We're going to cover everything from basic LLC formation to ongoing compliance and additional services, so you can confidently pick the champion in this battle of business titans. Let's start with a quick overview of what each company brings to the table. LegalZoom is a true veteran in the online legal services space. They've been around for over 2 decades, helping millions of individuals and businesses with a wide array of legal needs, from wills and trusts to trademarks and, of course, business formation. Their long-standing presence and broad service offering are definitely a big draw for many. They essentially aim to be a one-stop shop for all things legal, which can be appealing if you anticipate needing more than just basic formation services down the line. On the other side, we have zenbusiness, a newer but rapidly growing player. zenbusiness has quickly gained a reputation for its focus specifically on small business formation and compliance, often lauded for its user-friendly approach, affordability, and excellent customer service. They position themselves as a partner for small business owners, emphasizing ongoing support and simplified processes. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the services they offer. Both LegalZoom and zenbusiness provide core business formation services, including filing articles of organization for LLCs and articles of incorporation for corporations. This is the bread and butter of what they do, getting your legal entity officially registered with your state. However, the differences start to emerge when you look beyond the basics. LegalZoom offers a much wider spectrum of legal services. Beyond business formation, you can get help with intellectual property like trademarks and copyrights, estate planning documents, real estate forms, and even connect with attorneys for legal advice through their advisory plans. If your business is complex or you foresee needing a lot of varied legal support, LegalZoom's comprehensive suite of services could be a significant advantage, potentially saving you the hassle of finding multiple providers. zenbusiness, while focused primarily on business formation and ongoing compliance, does offer some valuable add-ons that are crucial for new businesses. This includes registered agent services, operating agreement templates, EIN, employer identification number, acquisition, and even business website and email services. They also offer a worry-free compliance service, which is a big selling point, providing ongoing alerts for filing deadlines and annual report assistance. While their legal offerings aren't as broad as LegalZoom's, their specialized focus means they often excel in the services they do provide for small businesses. Next up, pricing. This is where the competition really heats up, and it's often the deciding factor for many entrepreneurs. LegalZoom's pricing structure can be a bit more complex and, in some cases, more expensive, especially if you opt for their higher-tier packages or numerous add-ons. Their basic LLC formation service might seem competitive, but crucial features like a registered agent service and an operating agreement often come at an additional cost. For instance, their registered agent service can be around $299 per year. While they have plans that bundle services, it's important to carefully review what's included to avoid unexpected costs. zenbusiness, on the other hand, is generally known for its more transparent and often lower pricing, particularly for its starter packages. They frequently offer a $0 plus state fee starter plan for LLC formation, which is incredibly attractive for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. Their higher-tier plans, while costing more, often include valuable features like registered agent service for the first year and their worry-free compliance. For example, their Pro plan, which often includes a registered agent and EIN, is around $199 per year. This can represent significant savings compared to LegalZoom for similar core services. Now, let's talk about processing times. Getting your business officially registered can be a time-sensitive matter for many. LegalZoom's processing times can vary widely depending on the package you choose and your state's processing speed. Their standard processing can take several weeks, and if you need expedited filing, you'll pay a premium for their Express Gold service. zenbusiness generally boasts faster processing times, with some of their higher-tier packages offering rush filing that can get your documents processed in as little as 1 business day, in addition to state processing times. Even their standard processing often moves more quickly than LegalZoom's basic option. This can be a huge advantage if you're eager to get your business up and running quickly. Customer support is another critical aspect. When you're navigating legal paperwork, having reliable support can make all the difference. LegalZoom offers customer support via phone and online chat, available 7 days a week. Reviews are mixed, with some customers praising helpful representatives, while others report issues with slow responses, difficulties understanding agents, or receiving templated answers. Their breadth of services can sometimes mean their support isn't as specialized for particular business formation questions. ZenBusiness consistently receives high marks for its customer service. They have a strong rating on Trustpilot and are praised for their knowledgeable, friendly, and responsive support team, available through phone, email, and chat. Their focus on small businesses means their support staff is often well-versed in the specific challenges and questions new entrepreneurs face during the formation process and beyond. They've even won awards for their customer service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.